Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically this is not only the color variant, so if you have any other variant name then still you can separate them as an individual product on your collection pages. And one more specific thing I wanted to mention here is that this is not only for one collection page but all the collections which you have created in your Shopify store. So in all of them you can actually see this change, like each product will be separated on the basis of the variant which you choose. And one more thing is that if you want any specific one, for say example you have a collection and you only want this feature on that collection and rest of the collections should remain as normal, so that is also possible by adding one condition. Right here on my screen you can see that I have products but only single color is displaying, all the other colors are not displaying. So each product has multiple color variants but only single one is displaying on this collection page, and I am interested to display all of them so that when a customer is coming up and he should actually see multiple options to buy the product. So let me show you step by step that how you can implement this feature by your own. So here on my screen you can see that I have this dashboard and I have installed Aurora theme. This specific code will work only in Aurora theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a playlist of videos, so you can follow that, and I will be adding the link below in the description. If you're still not able to find the relevant video, then you can message me. I will definitely help you out in solving it, and maybe we can also create one more video on that. Otherwise I will help you to implement the same feature into your store. So this theme version is 3.4.2. If you have any other version, then still this feature will work. So the first step is you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme. So once you're duplicating it, then later on if you have any problem with something or you maybe did any mistake, so you can roll it back to its original version. Alright, so once you are done duplicating it, then you should again click on these three dots and click on edit code. And here you will be seeing that we have some folders and files. And now we are going ahead with documentation. I have already given the link below in the description, so you should follow the documentation. So once you are downloading the code, you will be finding these files, and one of them is document.txt. So you should open that, and here you can see that we have multiple steps here. So I'm going to follow the step one by one. Now the first step is that create new snippet color dash variant. So let me copy this name from here and then go back, and here in this screen you should see that we have snippets. Click on that, click on add a new snippet and paste that name here. Then after you should click on done. So we have created a new file. Again we have to go back to the documentation. We have to create another new snippet which is color dash product dash card. So you should copy this and create another new snippet. So go back to that screen again, click on add a new snippet under snippets and paste that name here. Click on done. So this is also created now. Go back to the documentation. We have the third step, which is create one more snippet which is color dash featured dash collection dash grid. So copy it and go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and click on done. So we have created three empty files. Again we have to go back, create a new section now. So name of that section is color dash collection. So you should copy this, go back here, and this is snippets but we are going to create a section. So you should click on sections, click on add a new section and then paste that name here and then click on done. Now go back to the documentation, and here we have multiple things, but before proceeding further, let's check the attached code. So which is this one. So I'm going to copy and paste one by one. So now the first place we have color dash variant.txt. So let me copy this complete code from here, and then you should paste it inside of color dash variant.liquid. So you should paste it and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you should close this file, go back to the attached code. Now we have the second file which is color dash product dash card.txt. Open this file also, copy this code, close it and go back to this screen, and we have color dash product dash card.liquid. So paste that code here, click on done, click on save, and then close this file also, go back to the attached code. We have color-featured-collection-grid. So you should open this file also. So let me copy this, and then after close this file here, go back here, and then we have color-featured-collection-grid.liquid. So I'm going to paste that code here. Click on save. Let me close this file. And now we have to see here color-collection.liquid. So inside of it, we need to remove the code, existing code. And now we have to go back here. We have a file color-collection.txt. So you should copy this complete code from here, go back to this file and paste it right here, and then click on save. So now once the changes are saved, then you can actually close this file also. And let's move ahead with the fifth step, which is create collection from customize and assign it, make it grid. So this collection we need to create, and one more collection we need to create from backend. So let me tell you what exactly I mean to say. So you should create a collection from customize means you should go back here in the dashboard again, and you will see we have customize. Click on it. Then after, you should see here we have the drop down. Click on collections. We have to click on create template, and here you need to write color-collection. So color collection we are creating, and based on default collection. Click on create template. So now we have created a color collection, and let me go back to this screen again. And here what you need to do, you should click on products, click on collections, and you need to create a new collection. Then after, you should write here, for example, color collection, and for example I am selecting here default collection. We have color collection, and then you need to choose the products. For example, I am choosing all these products which we have. So for example, these products I am going to add here, and then let me save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you should go back here. Let me refresh this page again. And here on the left side, you will see we have products. So you should click on this I button and it will disappear. Then again, click on add section. And here you need to search color. Once you are searching color, click on color collection. And then after, you can actually remove this title, or maybe you want to put any other title, you can add it. So this is removed now. For now, I don't need it. You should click on grid. And then after, you should select the collection. Here is the select option. So here we have color collection, and click on save. So now you can see that we have all the colors displayed here. So let me preview from the dashboard. So for example, this is the color collection which I have created. Click on view, and here we go. Now you can see that we have multiple colors displayed on this collection page. So that means all the colors which I had for each product, so all of them are displaying here as an individual product. So that's how you can actually implement this feature into your store. So this is really quick, easy, and of course this is looking more beautiful than before. Everything is working fine. All right. So that's how you can implement this feature into your store. If you are facing any issue or something, then you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. And if you need to create a new feature into your store, so I am ready to help you in that. If you want to create a new store, or maybe customize your store, or need any new section or new design, so I am available to help you in that. So you can directly message me on WhatsApp, or maybe any other contact which I have already added in the contact details. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And you can also join a WhatsApp group I recently created. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.